Here's how to add an image on top of a video in Filmora. Drag your video clip onto the timeline. Then find the image you want to add, either from your media bin or your computer, and drag it directly onto a track above your video clip. The image will appear covering the full frame. Click on the image in the preview to select it. Drag a corner handle to make it smaller and reposition it by clicking and dragging it to wherever you want it in the frame. For example, the bottom left corner. You can also rotate it using the rotation handle. To animate the image so it slides in, go to the Animation tab on the left and choose a preset like Slide Right or Slide Left. Double-click the animation to apply it and play back your timeline to see the image animating into your video. Adjust the duration of the image clip on the timeline to control how long it stays visible. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.